Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you one of my biggest productivity hacks and tip as a remote worker. And I guess even if you aren't a remote working person, this could still apply to you because if you go to work, you have a work bag. And my tip is all about organizing your work bag. So as simple as this may sound, having a fully prepared and organized bag and keeping it the same way every single day is my biggest tip to being very effective and productive during my work days. Something I noticed over the years of experience is that people are forgetful, and I'm definitely one of those people who can forget items, who can lose items, and I hate to leave the house without something that is going to keep me productive and working nonstop during the day. So for example, if I forget my charger when I'm leaving the house, then it can really suck when I am at the co-working space or at a coffee shop or going to a meeting and realize that my laptop is out of battery. So to avoid problems like this and others, such as forgetting your phone, forgetting your keys, etc., what you can do is always have a prepared bag and know where your items are in your bag and always keep them in the same place. So that is what I do, and having a very organized bag is essential for me, and it's something that I try to prioritize. And also another thing about my bag is that it needs to hold a lot of items. It needs to hold my work items, sometimes my clothing items. Sometimes if I need to travel for work, then I will need to take some clothing items, shoes, etc. If I'm taking it to the gym, then my gym clothes, or if I am leaving the house with my baby, then sometimes even extra diapers can be helpful. So having a bag that has multiple compartments and that is designed basically for this purpose is really key for me, and I'm really happy when I find a bag that meets my needs in this sense. So at this point in the video, I would like to thank Knack bags for sponsoring this video and sending me a medium-sized bag from their new collection in a sangria red color, which is a beautiful color, and it's great for a change because I've always used black until now. And in this video, I want to share with you the details of the bag because I've been using it for the past weeks and really enjoy it. It has a lot of compartments, more than I could actually ask for. I found it very useful to carry all of my work items, and as you might know, I was actually at an event last week and I had to carry a lot of work stuff to that event. So I carried a lot of things and I'm really enjoying it, and I keep all of my stuff in this bag for now. And now I will start showing you the bag and will share with you how I organize my work essentials and where I keep them in the bag. As I already mentioned, I love it when bags have a lot of compartments, and I really like using the front compartments of this one for the smaller items and for more delicate items. The top section is always saved for my phone and my AirPods, which I always want to find in the same spot. And over here, I always keep my wallet, several pens. If I have business cards, which I don't have right now, I will keep them in here, and just some hand sanitizer and lip items. So just random stuff in that section. And in the bottom part, I always keep an extra pair of gloves because I live in Canada, and who can say no to an extra pair of gloves in Canada? So that's where that is. And on the side, I love that there is a section for the water bottle, and my water bottle is actually 800 milliliters, so it's a huge one, and the space is actually perfectly made for this size of water bottle. So if you also use a reusable one, this is perfect for you. In the middle and the biggest compartment, I keep my vlogging camera, my mini tripod, my external hard drive, passport, sometimes cosmetic items, my charger. So the middle compartment is the biggest one, and this one is usually the most difficult to organize because it usually consists of only one big compartment, and it's not the case for this bag. So I really like that it has a felt section so that you can put your delicate items such as my vlogging camera. If I have like anything that is big and doesn't have a concrete shape, I put it in the big compartment. And so you might be surprised of not seeing the laptop here because there is actually a different compartment for the laptop, and I really like that because I hate to put the laptop in the middle big compartment with all of the other stuff, and then when you're at an airport and you have to take out your laptop, you have to take out all of the other stuff and then move out your laptop. So that's something I really disliked, and in this bag there is actually a separate compartment for the laptop. Moving on to the final part that I want to talk about, and this would have come very handy in the past when I was actively traveling for work all the time. This compartment is expandable. It can hold up to 2 to 3 days of clothing items, and in the compartment that I put my gloves in, you can actually put your shoes or other items as well. So if you're going on a work trip for several days or just a weekend trip after work, then you can definitely use this bag for that purpose as well. And I really like the fact that the bag is kind of like multitasking in a way. You can have the bag on different occasions with you, and I like the fact that it's designed to meet all of your needs and just be the one bag that you need all the time. In fact, the motto of this bag brand is actually One Bag Life. So there we go. Finally, moving to the back of the bag, and if you don't want to use it as a backpack and put it on your shoulders, then you can actually tuck in and hide these pieces, and when you want them out, you can just pull them out, and with that little metal piece right here, it is very easy to attach and detach when you don't need it. So it is actually very useful to have that piece, and the metal piece is actually something that I really liked about this bag because it makes it so easy to attach and detach, and it's not usually the case with many other backpacks. So there it is, that's how I organize my work bag, and as I mentioned in the beginning, I always put the items in the exact same space every single day so that whenever I need something, I know that it's there and I know the compartment, the section of the bag that I can find it in. So that is always helpful. It saves you time, it makes you more productive, and it's just hassle-free. So why not do it? Do you have any other tips for me that I could also take away from you? Share with me in the comments right below. I hope you enjoyed seeing this video. If you did, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe, hit the notification bell for future videos. There's a new video every single week, and I'm really making an effort to make this work. So if you want to support me, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.